one time, like a colleague really came up to me and said that, you know, the yaya stuff that you do actually comes like what it means in German is more like yeah, whatever, I get it.
Oh.
I don't really care, sort of a thing. And I was like, okay.
So you were the office sassy bitch.
Yeah.
Without knowing.
She told me in London there are 3 W's that you can't trust: work, women, and weather. Then she did like Indian Bollywood move of this sort, and I was like, I have no clue what she's doing. Maybe she wants to dance with us. And she suddenly said, just go back to your country.
What?
Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to Borderline Firangi.
Hello.
Hi,
And I'm Shivali.
I'm Ashmita,
And I'm Maitri.
and we are here with the source of this podcast.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll take all the credits for Borderline Firangi existing, because I think I'm the reason that you two met.
You absolutely are. Yes. And she's a very good candidate of Borderline Firangi because she has lived in Germany. Now she's living in the UK. So, yes, today we are sort of interviewing you. So, talking about friends, so since you were the source of how we met and we excluded you and started our own thing. So,
Thank you.
No, we did not exclude you. You had better things to do than us. So,
But life's made a full circle, and here I am.
yes.
Yes.
So the star is back. So talking about friendship, how has your experience been? Like, how was your experience in Germany? How was your experience in India? How did you manage to make friends? Although she is a very extroverted and she's very good at making friends.
Not
So-
really,
so
but
she
okay.
is-
I'm glad I come across like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it's been a tough road, I'd say, because in adulthood, making friendships isn't really very smooth.
It's not.
So yeah, initially when I was in Germany, of course, I was doing my master's, so it was way easier. But when I came to the UK, I started working, and you know, you're like sort of in a workplace, you don't really want to mix up professional and personal
Especially here.
relationships.
Especially here. Yeah.
And I mean, my team weren't really that friendly in the sense of
Okay.
it. So yeah. So what I did was I tried to randomly look up on, you know, meetup groups, and I was sort of forcing myself to
Yeah.
get out there and meet
Yeah.
sort of like-minded people. But clearly that wasn't really working out for me. And after a while, I was like, okay, I'm going to these walks and, you know, these pub crawls and stuff, but are these the kind of people I would really make
Exactly,
friends with?
yeah.
Not really. So then what I did was I'm more into like, you know, organic friendships and stuff. So I thought maybe I'll focus on activities that I really like.
Yeah.
And maybe if I find, you know, if I connect with people, that's going to last way longer than forceful friendships. So Ashwita, I met you through a
Yeah.
dance class
Yeah.
where we had like loads of fun.
Yes.
It was a Bollywood dance class,
yes.
and yeah, and we've like the friendships just continued.
Yeah.
Yes, rest
from
is
there.
history. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
This is what we also discussed in one of the episodes.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
we end up making friends through activity, because that's
For sure.
where you because you're not going there to make friends, you're going
Yeah.
there to do some activity, and then
Yes,
you meet
and-
like-minded people in a way.
Yeah,
And
that's
then-
true, because if you're going to a pub crawl, you might hang out with someone, and then it's not sure that they are going to come to the next activity. But if it is a dance class, if it is something
Yeah.
hobby related, people are going to, same set of people are going to turn up again and again. And that's
Yeah.
how you make any kind
Yeah.
of friendship. So yeah, meetup has failed
Miserably.
everyone, and I'm sure meetup guys one day will come to give some strike or something to us because we have like talked shit about meetup like a number of times, because it is a good way to meet people but not sustainable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, I've met like a couple of people who were decent, but then most of the times I've found more creepy people, to be honest.
Also,
Yeah.
do you have any stories?
On meetups, like, don't get me started. I think we'll need a separate episode altogether for that.
Anyway, you are going to come again, so yes.
We'll
let's
take
Oh,
that
I'm
here.
popular on
Let's-
Borderline Firangi.
let's dish meetup on some other episode.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this was for the UK. What about Germany? But you were studying there, so was it
Yeah,
easier?
that was way easier. But then in Germany, I moved, like I was in Frankfurt earlier, and then I moved to Stuttgart for
Yeah.
work, and which is as German as it gets. Like Frankfurt's more international, you could get away with English and stuff. But Stuttgart, I was with Mercedes, so it was like typical German working environment.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I've had very weird experiences as well there. So one of them was particularly like, I was out of college. I was super enthusiastic about, working with my colleagues who were primarily German. And I would
Yeah.
always be like, yeah, I get that, just to make them understand, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And most Germans, if you've noticed, have a very straight face. So you don't really know what to make out of,
It's really hard. Yeah.
yeah. And then suddenly one time, like a colleague really came up to me and said that, the yeah stuff that you do actually comes, like what it means in German is more like, yeah, whatever, I get it.
Oh.
I don't really care, sort of a thing. And I was like, okay.
So you were the office sassy bitch.
Yeah.
Without knowing.
Without even knowing, yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. How did you control yourself by that you do not have to say yeah because it's subconscious, right?
Exactly, and especially in India, right? You're so used to like nodding your face.
India
and
nod.
being like, the
Indian nod.
famous Indian. So yeah, it was a nightmare. And then
Interesting. Wow. Was it your
Also-
first job?
no, go on.
Was it your first job?
In Germany, yeah.
No, as overall, did you work in India?
I
at
did
all?
work in India, but
Okay.
that's what I'm saying. Like, it was a different ball game altogether, right? In
I'm
India.
sure.
And then back in India, like we are master of jugaad, like always there's some.
Jugaad.
If you have a problem, there's someone,
Somewhere there's a
yeah,
solution.
and then somehow
Absolutely.
it just works
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Germany was like, there are rules that you stick to no matter what. Like they're not even guidelines. You just have to stick to the rules.
Yes.
So yeah, it took me a while to sort of digest all
Yeah.
of that.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah,
Was it easier in the UK?
definitely I'd say.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think in London especially, you come across people with like varied backgrounds. So you don't really try that hard to fit in. Or maybe like I'd also matured in my own way that
Yeah,
I
we
was
also,
settled.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that could have made a
Yeah.
difference.
See, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah,
Whatever,
exactly.
yeah.
It's so hard to keep a straight face and be like,
Yeah.
That's what. Yeah, how did you manage? I think she was still doing yeah, but she was thinking she's not doing
Yeah.
that.
oh, don't even remind me about it.
How long did you work in Germany?
So I was there for like 4 years,
Okay.
out of which
Including
3
the
years I was
Okay.
working. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
how was the your university life different than India?
Yeah, it was very fluid. Like, you
Okay.
could sort of.
Was
have-
it more funny, like more enjoyable than India, or did you felt more pressure? For
we
to
were
study?
always having beers, like,
Okay.
Because
like
you're in
German
the
beer,
difference.
and then
Yeah, because you're in Germany.
there
yes.
was either like Oktoberfest or Frühlingsfest. Like every season, they have a reason to drink beer.
Amazing.
So
okay.
can't
That was
really
much more
complain.
fun, is
Of
it?
course.
India, maybe you were drinking vodka. So what?
Yeah. yeah.
Okay, but then it was more fun, you will say.
Definitely. And then you have like, you're interacting with people from all over.
Every sort of background,
Yeah.
yes. So
And you're in the heart of Europe. So if you have the travel bug, you can
That
like go
is
all over.
the
Just like a
best
weekend trip, get a
Yeah.
bus.
Yeah.
Cheap stuff as a student, but then
Yeah.
that's what you want, right?
That's nice.
Yeah.
Talking about university, you have been doing MBA in the UK as well. So how was that?
Yeah. it's
Was it like full-time MBA?
I'm a sucker for degrees.
Yeah. At this point, guys, I have lost the count how many degrees she has. She has lot of degrees. I have lost count.
Because
We are
I'm
the
nothing better
uneducated
than
ones.
guys.
We are the
She has,
uneducated
I'm
ones.
sure she has a double-digit degree. Like,
I'm sure,
literally.
Not really, but yeah, getting
Getting
there.
there.
By the next time she comes.
Yeah.
Right. So yes, how has it been? Like, how was the UK?
Yeah, I mean, so I'm doing this MBA from Imperial, and I'd say the experience so far has been quite interesting as well. And not just because of the degree per se, but because, once you're in your professional lives, it gets very monotonous. But then getting back to university is like, again, meeting a
Yeah.
lot of different people, different perspectives,
Mm.
sitting with like doctors, consultants, engineers, all in the same room is quite like
yes,
enhancing for your network, for your perspective as well,
but in fun ways, no?
in fun ways as well.
As well?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Is it more matured fun than, like, it would be? So when you go out, have you gone out with your
Yeah, a
students,
couple of
like,
times. Yes,
okay.
yes.
So was it more matured conversation? Do you think it's a more mature, because you say you are?
It depends on how many drinks you've
Oh,
had.
Everything depends
Yeah.
on that. Our survival sort of is depending on that. But yes.
So what is the
Yeah.
threshold for doctors? I'm just
Oh,
wondering.
not going to generalize, but my experience is like they have a higher threshold than us.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
have like PhD doctorates as well. So they're like
Yeah.
nerdy geeks. But
Yeah.
then,
Yeah.
yeah, they're super
Interesting.
fun as well. So,
Okay. We
Yeah.
are defining fun with alcohol. Interesting. But
Yeah.
okay. So since you said traveling, did you have any fun stories? Did something fun happen that when you were traveling or when you were in Germany?
So yeah, I used to travel quite a lot
Yeah.
during my stay in Germany, and I wouldn't really term this incident as fun, but yeah, it was quite interesting, I'd say. So we were a bunch of friends, and
Hmm.
mainly like Desi friends, and we were having like a gala time, laughing out
Mhm.
loud, and just having a good chatty time.
Okay.
And then suddenly there was like this old German lady who was giving me odd stares all the
Only
time.
to you?
Like the entire group,
Entire group,
but
okay.
maybe I got it more easily. But
Yeah.
yeah. So then she came up to us and she was like, "Why are you laughing so much?"
Arre?
Yeah. And then she did like a Indian Bollywood move of this sort, and I
Oh.
was like, I have no clue what she's
What?
doing. Maybe she wants to dance with us.
Oh, okay. So she said in German, or was
She said it in German,
Okay.
and then
and you understood German at that point? Okay.
yeah.
Hmm.
See, I'm doing the yeah
Yeah.
again, but yeah.
I think that's the Indianness in all of us. Yeah.
And then she suddenly said, "Just go back to your country."
What?
Yeah. And I mean, I was taken aback. I wasn't really ready for
Yeah,
that moment. And one of my friend actually just, got into tears because
Okay.
she was,
Yeah.
feeling so embarrassed. But then, and we were not in a library, right? We were in a train having a good
Yeah.
time. So yeah, I mean, I've had like weird experiences as well.
Interesting.
And yeah, that's when you realize like living abroad isn't that picture perfect.
It
thing
is
that
not
people
at all.
think.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when she said that, and so then you guys stopped talking, or what was the after effects of that?
Yeah, and then she got off that stop.
Mm.
So later on, like actually people came up and apologized and said, we don't
Okay.
know. Yeah. So that
Okay.
was also the brighter side of
Yeah,
Oh,
because that's what I wanted to
yeah.
know. How were other people reacting who listened to this
Yeah,
conversation?
exactly. And so that's why like stereotyping doesn't really
We cannot,
work. Yeah,
but then it's
yeah.
not good.
Exactly.
Interesting. Wow.
And then apparently in Germany, this means like, are you crazy?
Oh,
Oh,
so this is
yeah.
not Bollywood.
No, this was not Bollywood. Yes. And it's so funny because in like Bollywood,
And
this is
also
such a
John
common
Cena.
step.
John Cena, you can't see me.
Wow.
That was so strange,
Were you
yeah.
sitting in the quiet zone?
Not.
You know what quiet
Yeah,
zone
yeah,
we
yeah,
have
yeah.
in the trains
Yeah.
here?
Oh, I always avoid those zones. I can't like.
Aren't
Yeah,
you?
I mean,
Not that I'll be dancing all the time, but
But,
still,
yeah.
if I get a phone call, then what will I do? So yeah, that's
yeah, that lady
quiet.
should go and sit in the quiet.
Yeah,
zone.
if she has that
really
much
has
of
an
a
issue.
problem.
Yeah.
Wow,
And then that time
interesting.
you can't really say something back to them, right? I mean, somewhere did you feel, oh, you are in a foreign
Yeah,
country,
yeah.
you can't fight back or say anything.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, you always feel like I'm still an outsider. Maybe
Outsider.
no matter how hard
That's
I try.
the story of an immigrant. You never belong.
Yeah.
Even
Ouch,
here, I
that
feel.
hurts, but
Yeah. Even here, I feel at times, not that this kind of thing happened, but I'll ask you this questions now. Now you are a citizen here,
Yeah.
but it feels like you
Don't
don't
show
belong.
off.
Yeah, it
Yeah. It still feels like
It is
that,
it
right?
is that.
You do not
still
belong.
feel like you don't belong.
Yeah.
You still feel somewhere you're an outsider.
Yeah.
Also because you don't know lot of context. Also, if I'm talking to someone, I might not know a lot of context, or I'm not very up to date with that. So I'll always feel that missing somewhere. So and you don't want to like fight back and be in a position, and also you're carrying the pride of your country or form, so you don't want to behave in a certain way that will.
But I think हो गया अभी वो pride क्या है?
नहीं है, मुझे तो है.
नहीं नहीं मतलब हो गया as in कैसे behave करना
हो
है
गया
as in
मतलब as in see, you don't want to fight back and say bad words to them and prove like you are also part of them. If someone
okay
is
fair
like doing,
हाँ
you're crazy, so I can't fight
yeah
back,
yeah
right?
yeah
Yeah, I think it's a
unless
lot
like-
about like sort of guarding your mind as well, because in our head we always, you know, like end up comparing it with our background or something. But I
Yeah.
keep reminding myself like this is different. This
yeah.
yeah
But you also stand up for things
yeah.
also sometime. But there's like also very thin line between
Yeah.
where to overreact, where do you react, where do you not react.
yeah
So it's gonna be always like that.
so
in any
basically
foreign country.
holding a passport does not
Does
define you
not-
right
No, it never. I
it
think
never does
never.
right
Yeah, and then
okay.
I mean we all are here, right? If we were really that happy with our lives back in India,
Yeah,
we wouldn't be
have
here.
been.
So
Oh, yeah you'll never belong anywhere
yeah.
yeah anyway
So since you have moved here in London, is there anything that you have adopted from London as being a very Londonish thing that you always do?
Let me think. Yeah, I think British politeness, like we all know, is, I mean, it could come across as fake as well, but anytime like I have to do something which the other person might not like, I'm always like, sorry, but I need to do this. Sorry. So I think it's like overusing
Sorry,
the
not
word
sorry.
sorry. Yeah, sorry, but not sorry.
yes
And the other bit would be like, yeah, I really used to love my masala chai back in India with all
Okay.
the ginger and spices.
Yeah.
But now I'm like, chuck it, just get me like a tea bag.
Yeah,
and-
Oh, so you're
Yes.
a British tea person now.
Oh yeah, and I would like to go to Ritz Carlton for my next sort of high tea, but yeah, I can't
Oh
afford
my
it right
God.
now.
okay
Who are you going with?
she's
You
true
take us-
borderline Firangi you
Can
are a
you
true
please sponsor
Oh,
can you please sponsor us so that we
Yes.
sponsor her
like us, please?
oh god
so have you gone to high tea experiences here?
No, I've like planned quite a few,
Mhm.
but never really ended up going.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's on my list.
Because I'm
Yeah.
also very curious about those. I've been to places. I didn't go to like high tea experiences, but I've seen like ladies having their sort of kitty parties there. It's
Yeah,
like
with hats and
with-
clotted cream
Yeah,
yeah
and
yeah
stuff.
yeah finger
And-
sandwiches
Yeah. And I'm always been
Yeah.
curious how to behave in those parties. Like if I was invited in those high tea party, would I be suited in there and with my
Yeah, and my other like sort of issue with it is when do you place it? Like if you've had a lunch, you know, which is
Mm.
like proper lunch, you can't really have high tea with clotted cream and sandwiches. Like I'm not that hungry at that point, so
Yeah.
probably skipping lunch then going.
yes yeah
Yeah,
yeah
that's
probably
also-
having a salad in lunch
Or, yeah,
Mm.
and then afternoon tea
yeah, maybe.
We should plan that. Okay.
I'm out
But we will put it.
okay yeah
um,
nice
anything in Germany that you have adopted, or is it like it was not much to adopt?
I mean, yeah, I tried keeping a straight face, but that's clearly not working for
No.
me.
we can see that no,
Oh,
no.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been quite some time, right? You moved here, I think 3-4 years.
yeah, 4 years. now.
Yeah. So
yeah.
it's okay.
London's grown on me.
Yeah.
Yo, that's true. That's true.
So
So
you-
she's drinking British tea, I'm sure.
So do you also like walk fast now?
Yeah, I'm like always running. I don't even
Oh,
walk anymore because
And-
I'm always late for the
And
trains,
always
right?
always annoyed if somebody in front of you is walking slow, or are you a chill person like that?
I think I'm just walking in my own lane. Like I'm not a fan of queuing, so
Oh yeah.
that gets a bit annoying because you're queuing for like everything. here.
Everything. Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
So,
But you have to. Yeah. Yeah. So walking fast is something
Yeah. I think we all have picked up.
comes with a
Yeah.
visa.
And then
I mean, I was in Mumbai for my undergrad, so I think walking fast was
Yes,
like
yes.
I've picked it up from there,
It's
so
ve-
it's quite comparable.
Yeah, but it's very much like Mumbai, right? London in
Yeah,
general
yeah.
as well.
I mean, it's
No?
just like there are no aunties pushing you in the train
Oh.
and the locals and like sweaty and like that.
Yeah, वो
Yeah,
नहीं
I'll
है,
not
true.
go into the details, but you know what I mean.
Yes, very well.
Yeah. But somehow I feel London lifestyle is similar to Mumbai,
Yeah.
excluding if you are like rich, super rich in Mumbai,
Yeah,
then you can afford like chauffeur-driven cars and everything. Then it would be
similar
It's very, like,
similar to
high,
London as well, right?
Yeah.
If you are that rich living in South
Yeah.
Kensington,
Yeah,
then you
that's
can have a chauffeur-driven car.
True. And the rains are a bit different though.
Mm.
Waterlogging
Mumbai,
never ends in
yeah,
Mumbai.
yeah.
And here the rain is like, are you even raining?
Yeah, it is. Weather to
Yeah.
abhi different picture hi hai, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, once a friend told me in London there are 3 W's that you can't trust.
Okay.
So like work, women, and weather.
Women.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
I don't know how to interpret the women bit, but
Did you ask was it a
The
him?
person, yeah. Was it a man?
It was a
it was
him.
a man.
It was-
Obviously,
it will
right?
always be.
Obviously.
Oh, did you ask him though? Why do you say? Whether I
Was he
understand.
single?
Yeah. Actually,
Oh,
now that
then
I
yeah.
think of it, yeah.
Can't blame
He
him.
was a cab driver actually, probably very disappointed with his dating life, but
So work is like unpredictable. It's
yeah, like I mean, they can sort of stack you
Okay.
over, yeah.
That's fair.
women as well. उसके हिसाब से. Maybe
Women,
if you are a man watching, please enlighten us by
Yeah.
commenting if whatever she's saying or whatever the cab driver was saying is true or not.
Yeah. and
all
weather
right.
to hai.
Whether to hai, yes.
So we agree on to disagree on one.
Ah,
Maybe we should come up with our own W, like
yeah. It is like literally.
workouts.
Workouts.
They are unpredictable because
But that's just us, right? But let's blame London. Right?
because of the weather, it's always rains. I don't
Oh,
want to
that's
go out.
right.
I can't go out to gym because it's raining or it's heat wave or
Like
it's too
duh.
cold.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
I
only
can't walk,
spring
it's so
left,
cold.
no? But spring it's so windy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then in fall there's so much crap on the street, like all the leaves. I can slip and fall.
Okay, you're stretching it.
Fall ने तो कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा था यार.
मैं गिरी थी एक बार. फिसल के गिर गई थी on the.
Oh shit. Okay. Should we play the game
Yeah.
now?
Let's.
So we are not
Oh, we
going to
have a
bore
game
you.
too.
Yes, we are not going to bore you more with our questions. We have a
Okay.
game with more questions. So we are going
Okay.
to ask you. So this is like more of a German thing, Indian thing, UK thing, or a Maitri thing.
Okay.
So you have
Indian,
to pick.
German, UK, might you have 4 options.
Yeah. Or anything else.
I hope it's not always my thing.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll
let's
discover.
see. Okay, planning weekends 3 weeks in advance. Like you're planning your weekend plan 3 weeks in advance.
This is everything except Maitri. I
You're
cannot.
not Indian also. This is
Yeah,
not
I
Indian
know,
as
I know.
well.
I'm very impromptu, like,
Yeah.
and then I'm like paying the high exorbitant prices. for flights,
Same. All of us are like similar, I guess. Being 10 minutes early. 10 minutes. Not like very early, not late, not
Yeah.
on time, but early.
Depends what's on stake, right? Like if I'm going for an interview, okay, I'll take the efforts. But if
Yeah.
it's like a regular office day, I don't care about 10 minutes.
Okay, and if you're meeting a friend? That's a trick
she knows
question.
I'll be 10
That's a trick
minutes
question.
late. Yeah,
That's a trick question.
Maybe we should answer on her behalf.
you know me, guys.
Okay. So that's a Maitri thing.
Yeah.
10 minutes early. Yeah, but you
Or
are
late, depending on what.
But as in terms of nationalities, early thing was it German as well?
Oh yes, they're like super punctual.
Punctual or early?
I mean early, I think.
Early?
Yeah.
Yeah, हम देसी हैं.
Mm.
Okay, bringing a gift every time you visit someone. This is like human thing, yeah. This is
Very
not a-
desi as well.
Very
I think.
desi.
I think that is a Maitri thing. Like
That's
But
a
I think it's
Desi also, I
shouldn't
think,
have-
yeah.
But
No,
yeah.
we are discussing anyway.
Mhm.
नहीं करते क्या यहाँ के लोग? British people are not,
Not
doing that.
every time. अगर
ऐसा pressure तो नहीं है. I think.
हाँ.
Yeah. Okay.
I
yeah.
mean, do you feel bad if you haven't taken anything with you?
Hmm.
You feel bad somewhere, right? कि-
Exactly. Huh.
हाँ.
I mean, I do it out of like a nice gesture as well. Like I like doing it as well. So-
Yeah. So it is not something a country has imposed on you.
Depends, right? I think
Yeah.
it is indirectly yes.
See?
Mm.
Having an Excel sheet for everything. I mean, if you do not do this,
Yeah, then
but you have seen in among your friends and stuff.
I
then
think it's
you
a very
will-
German thing. Like I said, they have like a rule for everything. So
Yeah.
they love planning. I have a friend, like I have a Indian friend who's married a German.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
No offense to anyone. That was so impulsive of me to do that.
We don't judge too.
yeah.
But yeah, I mean, they were planning their wedding and they
Mhm.
had like everything on Excel. And she was telling me even the grocery list and expenses go on Excel, like
Oh.
even
Oh,
during their day to day lives. So yeah.
it is quite
So-
weird. Yeah, yeah.
Who's more planned in the sense? Are German people more or British? Which one do you think is more?
100% German.
Yeah, because
Ah.
even British people make jokes on German. He's being German
Imagine.
about
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, talking about that, I have a story. So I have a friend whose sister is married to a German and they have a baby and their grandparents are not allowed to touch the baby like at any time of the day. It has to be like at some point you can like touch and play with her, but not हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसे उठा लेते हैं ना. Like
Ah,
yeah.
okay.
so not only grandparents, anyone is not allowed to touch the baby. Like कभी भी नहीं छू सकते. You have to be like sanitized
उसके लिए
properly.
भी
and all.
अपॉइंटमेंट लेते होंगे.
Maybe yeah. So weird.
Quite.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. So I'm not saying
Surprising,
everyone
yeah.
does that, but
Yeah.
speaking of Germans,
Hmm.
which I'll cut. Okay. Walking everywhere. I think this is except Desi. This is
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah, but I like doing that.
Yes,
thing now.
absolutely. Yeah. I love this. Leaving parties exactly when you said you would. Who does? I mean, I
Probably
think,
again, like I know I'm just saying Germans for every damn thing.
but I think
Yeah.
they do. I'm sure that they'll do.
I think Brits as well, to be honest. I think.
They have an end time, no?
And
Uh,
so I think it's both. Will British
like
and
Irish
German.
people don't.
Yeah.
Hmm.
They
Yeah,
can
yeah.
stay forever. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but okay, that reminds me. This is so contradictory. They are so like uptight is kind of a negative word, but like so into rules and stuff. But then Berlin has the
Oh, yeah.
party scene of Berlin
Yeah.
is so wild. So I don't understand. ये कैसे? This is so contradictory.
I think they
Right?
have like a set time. Like this is my party time, and they're
Then
Then they're going to go crazy
yeah.
about it. Yeah.
And then there's like their other work life.
Hmm.
So then, be in the moment. Be here now.
Yeah.
even they're partying with a lot of rules. That's why their
Oh,
parties
yeah.
are successful.
Yeah.
Because there are a lot of rules. You have
Good rules for the
Good
party,
rules, yeah,
not
like-
not the
You have to wear certain things. You have to look a certain
yeah.
way.
That's how the Berlin clubs are, right?
Yeah, and
Have you
then-
been to any of them?
Yeah, I've been to like a techno one, and of course
Yeah.
it's super fun.
Yeah.
But then like one of my friend was also telling me that in Germany there are like social circles which you're supposed to have. So one
Okay.
like over the weekend you'll have a meetup with your school friends.
Hmm.
Then
Okay.
on Sundays it's like family time, and then like Saturday night with probably your college friends.
Yeah.
And so like you can't really mix up.
Mix,
Oh
yeah.
my God.
So you've got to keep it very separate and proper. So yeah.
Which, yeah.
I think my college friends are now best friends with my school friends. And they
Okay.
might have excluded me because
Oh.
now they're, I mean, you mix up friends, right?
I mean,
It's
look
like-
at you both, right?
Yeah, like.
But but फिर भी, they were like, she was not your
Yeah.
college friend as such.
I know,
So the
I
source was like that.
But then-
Because
But it's like I'm more like we
we
sort of
mix,
connect
yeah.
people
Yeah.
around. So,
That
yeah,
was great.
but sometimes it's kind of tricky as well. So
Yeah.
let's say you have a college friend, you went to a college friend's place, and then there are a lot of school friends, and then you are the only college friend. So it gets a little bit weird to socialize. So yes, I think I get the German thing now.
But also,
Yeah.
because you have different versions in school and college of yourself. So your college people are used to seeing in a certain version, and your school
Exactly.
friends are it's a different version for them.
And
So
now
it
bring
will
the
be-
work friends.
Yeah, work is completely different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I mean, depends. You're very right in saying, like, we
Mhm.
evolve as well from school to college and
Yeah.
stuff. And I did experiment with that in Germany. Like, I hosted like a Diwali party at my
Oh.
place, and I
Okay.
called one was one of my German colleagues, and the other one was Irish.
Okay.
And you can't believe, like, by the end of it, they were all doing kajra
Oh.
that was you. I think.
Yeah.
No, it was actually them, and they sort of really, mingled up so well because
Oh.
one of them had actually studied in London with an Indian, so he was
Okay.
familiar with
Yeah.
the culture. So it depends, like, I think how much people have traveled and
That depends a lot on that. Yeah.
the exposure.
Yeah. And how open they are
Yeah.
as a person. Yeah,
Exactly.
fair. Okay, since you mentioned you hosted a Diwali party,
That's again a Maitri thing.
did you force your guests to eat?
No, I was like, we'll do a potluck, like get good stuff.
Okay,
for
okay.
me. Yeah, I'm hosting, so you cook
Okay,
for me.
and have you gone to for dinner to any German place, like any German person's
Yeah.
place? Did they force to eat? You know, when I say force to eat, India में कैसे करते हैं? You have to
Or
eat. You have to eat.
khalo,
Yes.
or not.
Yeah.
No, they don't force you at all. Like,
No, right?
They consider you as adults who know how much to eat.
I love it. I love your answer. I love it. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have established? Nothing.
Quite
literally
That's the whole point, right?
That is the entire point of this
What have we
conversation.
learned? Nothing.
Okay, so it was fun to know you in a different way because we always chatted with each other, but not in this way, not like in a question answer way and not in front of the camera. So it was fun, and you are very much invited to some of our other episodes
Yeah.
if you are willing to, if we did not bore you.
Yeah, of course, I had a great time as
She's
well.
being
so thank
polite.
you.
She lived in Germany. Okay.
And
I live in London. I'm being British polite at the moment.
So next time maybe let's plan a high tea
Oh yeah.
and do this.
you are out, right? Shivali is out of that height.
Oh yeah,
Maybe we'll Indianize that.
Tell me before I have to skip lunch, guys.
Oh.
as long as there's good food, I'm in. Okay. All right. So
Alright.
thank you for watching and like, share,
Yeah.
and subscribe.
And you can
Yeah.
follow our lovely friend because that's how we met.
Yeah.
The reason this
Yeah.
exists.
And if you do not have friends, she
Yeah.
can guide you.
Yeah.
So,
So much pressure. Okay.
so if you are lonely, she's there for you. So
Wow.
follow her on
Oh,
Instagram.
This sounds like am I Seema auntie from matchmaking or something?
I mean, if you're looking for a friend, not that she will be your friend, but she will
arrange.
she will arrange she will arrange something for you.
I take commission, guys.
Yeah. That's how I survived in this city, and I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
But you had better social life than me. You had a better
social
social.
statement.
Yeah. Okay. So yes, follow her. Follow us if you have not followed us, and see you next
See
week.
you next
Bye.
time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.